How to find someone else's phone when it's lost on the iOS 16 update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can find someone's phone when it's actually been lost, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, make sure that you have actually updated the software version to the latest version. Go to general and then go to software update. Make sure you have iOS 16 installed, and then after you've done that, in order to able to locate someone else's phone, you must have first added them to Find My, because if you've not added them to Find My, of course you will not be able to do this. Open up the Find My application and make sure you've added them. If you want to add more people, tap on the plus button. The other person also should be an iPhone user. So currently you can see this person over here. All you need to do is just tap on their name over here. As you tap on the name, it will basically show you their location, and that's basically it on how you can find someone else's phone after it's been lost on the iOS 16 update. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.